How to cancel your Amazon Prime membership. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on the search icon. Now simply tap on the search bar and type Amazon. Now click on search at the bottom right corner. Now tap on Amazon Shopping. Now make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, simply tap on open. Now on the home page, simply tap on the user icon. Now tap on your account. Now scroll down. Now under account settings, you will find an option for manage Prime membership. Simply tap on it. Now on this page, you will find an option for manage membership. Simply tap on it and click on update or end membership. Again tap on it and then tap on end membership. Now confirm your account password and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.